Alright guys, welcome back to another episode of Master Designs, one of the best shows and realities on the spot. Alright guys, in today's video, now that I got my confidence back, we're gonna draw Giromon from Digimon. I think it's season 2, I bet. Anyways, Giromon is a machine type, but in retrospect, I believe that he's a steel and ghost type, or dark type. I don't know. Who cares? Anyways, giromon is a giant orb who carries a chainsaw and a EMP bomb. At least that's what it's called. His attacks are Chainsaw and Big Bang Boom. Kind of like Ancient Volcanomon. To be honest, I'm not sure how he pulled that off. Alright. There's his head. There's his head. Okay, next on the list, we have to draw the bomb in his hand. There's the bomb. Huh, who would have ever thought I'd draw him? You know, for some reason, folks, I never expected to get the chance to draw him. He looks a little bit like Gengar. What do you folks think? If he looks like Gengar, make sure to leave a comment below. Now we just draw the saw here. Alexa, play it again.
I'll repeat the song.
you know that Giromon is an ultimate level Digimon? Very interesting. And there. That's how you draw a Giromon. Looks just like the card, huh? I feel like that Yoli or, Kari might run into this Digimon one of these days. Anyways, you ever thought about the Digimon reboot having more episodes? Be sure to leave a comment below on that. Anyways, I'll see you guys again soon, and hope you like and rock and subscribe.